Are you a prospective or a first-year engineering student looking forward to an exciting career? Then consider a career in chemical and biological engineering. Chemical and biological engineers design and create the complex systems used to make everyday essential products. They also help develop many of the processes tackling humanity's most pressing issues. Take vaccines, for example. While scientists may formulate and test a vaccine in the lab, which happens at very small scales, it is the chemical and biological engineers that design, build, and operate the processes required to produce and distribute millions of safe and effective vaccine doses to those that need them. Because they're the ones who design these processes, chemical and biological engineers are often called process engineers or systems engineers. So, what is a process? A process is a set of specific actions and steps that transform inputs, like raw materials, into useful or more valuable products. Chemical and biological engineers apply scientific concepts in the design, build, and operation of these transformative processes. This requires an expert ability to see how those steps fit together and depend on each other. This is a unique skill set that only chemical and biological engineers possess. Transforming spodumene rock into the lithium battery that powers an electric vehicle is one such process. But processes involve more than just physical transformations and the equipment driving them. Chemical and biological engineers also develop the complex control strategies that run the processes. These ensure the safety of people and the environment, as well as the quality of the products or services. To do this, they use advanced mathematical modeling and AI-powered tools. For example, the control strategies managing robots in the process of seeding, feeding, and harvesting vertical farms typically use advanced mathematical models that chemical and biological engineers expertly develop. Chemical and biological engineers lead the development, design, operation, and management of many processes that surround us every day. Now let's explore what you could be doing as a chemical and biological engineer. Creating processes for carbon-neutral geothermal power plants. Designing zero-emission fuel cells to power cars. Operating facilities recovering metals from electronic waste. Or managing facilities producing flexible glass for electronic uses. Your career as a process engineer begins right here at UBC Chemical and Biological Engineering, one of the best engineering programs in the world. You will gain the skills needed to make real positive change. You'll have the chance to join a wide range of clubs, designing future products and processes, make visits to multiple industries, and take part in exciting co-op and summer job opportunities. You'll learn how to create environmentally sustainable processes that tackle all sorts of industrial and commercial challenges, such as how to heal our planet by capturing and removing atmospheric CO2, or eliminating contaminants from our soils and waters. During your studies, you'll gain a deep understanding of the specific engineering principles which are key to the success of those processes. To better understand how these principles are involved in the design and operation of processes, let's look at an emerging net-zero emission industry, the production of biofuel from algae. In the Chemical and Biological Engineering department, you will take courses in reactor design. This knowledge will allow you to design and operate the reactors where algae grows by absorbing CO2 from the air while producing unrefined carbon-neutral biofuel. You will also learn about thermodynamics and mass transfer, which will give you the skills to design the equipment needed to refine the biofuel and produce the final clean product used in trucks and cars. And the courses you will take in process control design and artificial intelligence will enable you to make the complex models that control the safety and efficiency of the entire biofuel production process. These are just a few of the courses that will help you master the engineering principles needed to design many of the complex processes that significantly impact our world. Chemical and biological engineers are involved in solving today's most challenging problems, such as providing food, water, energy, and goods for a growing population, all while protecting our environment. Such expertise and knowledge places chemical and biological engineers in a wide range of exciting fields and companies, and at the forefront of fascinating research. Today, chemical and biological engineers are leading the development of climate change mitigation technologies. Some examples are the manufacturing of massive flow batteries to store renewable power, the production of hydrogen using nuclear energy, or the use of wood and agricultural residues for manufacturing of a wide range of products. A degree in chemical and biological engineering can also open up many pathways into further education, such as business, law, and medical school. You should also know that some of the most prolific entrepreneurs in the world have studied chemical and biological engineering. While growing a startup requires creativity and critical thinking, it also needs a solid understanding of technology assessment, process scale-up, and manufacturing techniques, all areas where chemical engineers have unique expertise. In fact, UBC chemical and biological engineering graduates have gone on to build or help grow some of the most successful local startups and companies. And if what you've learned has got you interested, you should also know that chemical and biological engineers are among the highest paid and most traveled engineers in the world. This is because chemical and biological projects tend to be complex and large, involving expert groups from across the globe. In summary, you should now have a much better idea of chemical and biological engineering as a career, creating, developing, analyzing, and operating process solutions that are constantly shaping and improving the world we live in. So do you want to play your part in shaping the future and begin a rewarding career tackling exciting challenges and making a positive impact on our world? Join us at UBC Chemical and Biological Engineering.